Hello you wonderful people, I'm Sarah and I'm going to make a lemon cake. For those of you lucky enough still having lemons and citrus and stuff growing on your trees, this is a pretty easy throw together like most cakes are. And the beauty of this is it doesn't really need any icing, but if you want to do some lemony icing, go for it. Icing, sugar, water, bit of lemon juice, awesome. If you want to just dust it with icing sugar, go for it. You could even prick a few holes in the top and put like some lemon juice sugar drizzle over it, make it into like a drizzle cake. But this is just yummy as is. And also if you've got some yogurt to use up, I make my own Greek yogurt, so if you've got a little bit to use up, this is great because it uses a cup of Greek yogurt in with the mix. So in a bowl, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of oil. Any type of oil is fine. 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of lemon rind, so just the outside yellow peel of the lemon, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Either buy it in the store or, you know, if lemons are in season, squeeze your own lemons, get 1/4 cup of juice. Along with that, I'm going to put in 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I make my own yogurt, it's super duper cheap, and I will link my method for doing that down below. I don't use a yogurt maker, I actually do it in my slow cooker. It's really simple, but there's a few different techniques for doing that. I'm also going to put in there 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, just plain flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Give that a really good mix together. And preheat your oven for 160 degrees, so not super duper hot, 160 degrees, and it bakes for about 50 to 55 minutes. Just put a skewer in, test and see if it's done, and when you take it out of the oven, just leave it in the tin for 5 minutes to cool before you turn it onto a wire rack and either ice it or don't. Super yummy. That looks yummy and thick and moist. Sorry, I know a lot of people hate that word. I have no issues with it. Moist. It smells absolutely beautiful. I can actually smell the yogurt in there a little bit, just that sort of Greek yogurt tangy type smell. And the lemon. Okay, diving in. Oh yeah, that is lemony, it is yogurty, it is everything I want it to be. That is so good. I'm definitely making this again. This is not going to last. I don't think it needs icing or anything like that. That has a lot of flavour to it. That is beautiful. Texture wise, I love that. That is so nice. Leave me a comment down below, hit subscribe, and seriously make this. This is so yummy. Bye.